In today's video, I'll show you how to design a professional real estate yard sign in Canva, fast and easy. Start by opening Canva and typing real estate listing yard in the search bar. Browse the templates and pick one that catches your eye. Click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now make it yours. Replace the placeholder text with the property address, your contact info and any key selling points. Next, update the image by clicking it and either uploading your own photo or choosing from Canva's library. Focus on readability. Use bold fonts and contrasting colors so the text is clear from a distance. Keep it simple and eye-catching because a yard sign only has a few seconds to grab attention. Once done, click Download and select the format your printer requires. And just like that, you've created a stunning, ready to print real estate yard sign. Simple, fast and professional. Start designing today and make your listings stand out.